So WatchOS 8 has just come out and it's got a great feature which is multiple timers. So you can have different timers for different things all running at the same time. This is great if you're cooking and you've got a whole load of things on the go and you need to turn things over at particular times, take things off the stove and so on. You know what I mean. Now the thing is, if you set them up, it comes up as a list and you see the countdown time, but you don't necessarily know which one is which. However, if you use it with Siri, so talking to your watch, you can give it a label so you know which one is which. And then when it stops and the timer goes off, it actually shows you which one. And we're going to do that just in a second. Now, interestingly, this is on the watch, but it's not on the phone. So let's just give it a go. So the way to do this is with Siri. So let's set a timer. Hey Siri, set finish video timer in 1 minute. And there you have it. Can you see it's put a label on there as well? And it's now counting down. So that should be, as you know now, in about 50 seconds. Let's set another one and we'll see what happens when that one finishes. So let's do another. Hey Siri, set pizza timer for 12 minutes. Now you know what I'm having for lunch.
12-minute pizza timer, counting down.
Okay, and I need to back up my computer later. So let's do another one. Hey Siri, set backup computer timer for 3 hours. And there you have it.
Backup computer timer, starting now.
And can you see it's put a label in all of those. Let's go to the timers and you'll see here, it's now got them and the finished video is about to finish. So there's the pizza one, there's backup computer. Let's see what happens when that one actually finishes. And it pops up on the screen, and as you can see it says finish video. I can stop it or I can repeat it. Let's hit repeat. And what you can now see is you've got the list here. You can pause one or two, however many you want, and you can play them. It doesn't matter whether it's paused or playing. You can just swipe to the left and delete it. It's really that easy to do. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe.